Thinking about cosmetic surgery in India? From facial rejuvenation and rhinoplasty to body contouring and reconstructive procedures. India is home to some of the world's most experienced cosmetic surgeons, offering advanced treatments at internationally accredited hospitals. Dr. Sunil Chaudhary. He is a leading cosmetic and plastic surgeon with more than 32 years of experience. He practices at Max Super Specialty Hospital, Delhi. His specialties include rhinoplasty, facelift surgery, liposuction, hair transplantation, and advanced aesthetic treatments. He is known for achieving personalized and natural-looking results. Dr. Vaipul Nanda. With over 35 years of experience, he is a renowned plastic and cosmetic surgeon. He is associated with Fortis Hospital, Gurugram. Specialties: rhinoplasty, facelift surgery, breast augmentation, body contouring, and reconstructive surgery. He has successfully performed thousands of cosmetic and reconstructive procedures. Dr. Lokesh Kumar. With over 40 years of experience, Dr. Lokesh Kumar is known for advanced cosmetic and reconstructive surgery. He is associated with BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. His specialties include rhinoplasty, facial rejuvenation, breast surgery, body contouring, and microsurgery. Dr. Rakesh K. Khazanchi. He is one of India's most respected plastic surgeons with over 42 years of experience. He is associated with Medanta, the Medicity, Gurugram. His expertise includes cosmetic surgery, craniofacial surgery, reconstructive microsurgery, and aesthetic procedures. He has performed thousands of complex and cosmetic surgeries throughout his career. Dr. Rashmi Taneja. She has more than 35 years of experience in cosmetic and plastic surgery. She practices at Fortis Hospital, New Delhi. Her expertise includes facelift surgery, eyelid surgery, breast procedures, liposuction, and non-surgical aesthetic treatments. She has helped thousands of patients achieve natural-looking cosmetic results. Dr. Ajaya Kashyap. He is an internationally recognized cosmetic surgeon with over 38 years of experience. He is the director at MedSpa Clinic, Delhi. His specialties include facelift surgery, rhinoplasty, liposuction, tummy tuck, breast augmentation, and body sculpting. He has successfully performed thousands of cosmetic surgeries for patients from around the world. Dr. Milind Wag. He is a renowned cosmetic surgeon with over 36 years of experience. He is senior consultant at Lilavati Hospital, Mumbai. His expertise includes liposuction, tummy tuck, breast enhancement, facial cosmetic surgery, and body contouring. He has performed thousands of successful cosmetic procedures. Dr. Mukund Jagannathan. He has more than 35 years of experience in plastic and cosmetic surgery. He is associated with Apollo Spectra Hospitals, Mumbai. His expertise includes facial cosmetic surgery, breast surgery, body contouring, and reconstructive procedures. He is widely known for delivering natural aesthetic outcomes. Dr. Aditya Agarwal. He is a highly regarded cosmetic surgeon with over 28 years of experience. He practices at Medanta the Medicity, Gurugram. His specialties include rhinoplasty, facelift surgery, liposuction, gynecomastia surgery, and hair restoration procedures. He has treated thousands of cosmetic surgery patients successfully. Dr. Anil Bail. With more than 46 years of experience, Dr. Anil Bail is a distinguished plastic and reconstructive surgeon. He is associated with Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. His specialties include aesthetic surgery, burn reconstruction, facial surgery, and body contouring procedures. Planning cosmetic surgery in India? Contact Tour 2 India 4 Health for Expert Medical Tourism Assistance, free treatment quotes, doctor consultations, visa support, and personalized hospital recommendations.